Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So first of all, let's open screen which you want to capture. For example, settings list. And what you have to do next is to hold down combination of power key and volume down, like this, and the screenshot is taken. Let me show you one more time. And that's it. You can also take long screenshots on this device by tapping on it after you make this screenshot. Then you tap here, long shot, and tap start. And long shot, you can make it by yourself. And then you tap complete. And here you have your long shot. You can find your screenshots in gallery. In the screenshot album. Here they are. Here is the long screenshot, and here is the screenshot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.